What's up, you guys? It's Lauren and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lauren. It's so great to meet you. If you're not new here, welcome back. So happy to have you. So on my channel, I post a ton of fashion content. I do unboxings, I do hauls, how-to styles, and then occasionally I'll do like a vlog of my life. I give tips on my Instagram page and how to take pictures and fun things like that. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, feel free to hit the subscribe button. It's free, you can stay up to date with all the videos that I post, and we can be friends. Also, this is not my normal location that I film in, but I felt like switching it up a little bit. I have this super cute collage from by Teza, and it is amazing, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna switch it up, get a cute little backdrop going today. So if you like the new spot, let me know. I can film here more if you'd like. If you don't like it, I'll just film where I normally film. But today, for this specific video, I am doing an unboxing of a very, very special gift that I got. I was so excited to get this bag. It is the Marc Jacobs small teddy tote bag. So I believe they have a mini size and a small size. I got the small one in the color gray. It says gray online, but it's brown. So I'm confused where they got the gray from, but the bag is brown. I asked for this for Christmas from my boyfriend, and he let me open a present early, and I got this, and I was like, yay, I'm so excited. I've already like shot it with so many outfits. I've taken it out. I went to a coffee shop this morning. I got a compliment on it. So many people have complimented me on the bag because it is just so cute. So I'm really excited to show you guys the bag, talk about the structure of it, how much space there is, and all of that good stuff. So obviously I already took it out of the box because I unwrapped it as a present. I can't remember if he ordered it from like a Nordstrom site or if he ordered it from Marc Jacobs, but it just came in a regular square box, and then it was all folded up. So I'll just show you what the bag looks like. So this is the bag. So gorgeous, it's stunning. It is perfect for the fall and winter time, and this color is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm also obsessed with Sherpa material right now. And this is so soft and cozy, nice Sherpa material, and I am just in love with this bag. So it was all folded up whenever it came in the mail. So as you can see here, you can like fold it almost like a cardboard box. I'm not going to refold it up, but it does lay flat, which I feel like is really nice for traveling if you're not carrying the bag and you're putting it in your luggage. I feel like that's really nice for space, because if it's open like this, it's kind of harder if you're stacking clothes on top of it and stuff. So you can just lay it flat and on the bottom, and then you will get the most use out of your suitcase. This is a fairly big bag. I know it's a small tote bag, but this is like not really small. It's kind of hard to tell, but like the inside has so much space. I don't even know what I have in here. So it does come with a strap, which is super helpful. So it has this black strap. You can wear it crossbody, or you can just wear it on your shoulder. I've just been wearing it like over my shoulder, and it's so cute. I also like that the strap is black, because I feel like whenever you're wearing an outfit, the black kind of helps it match a little bit better, if that makes sense. But the bag itself is huge. It's super stretchy, so you can fit so much stuff in here. And I believe I'm just now seeing this like right now at this very moment, but it does have a zipper. I was kind of wondering that at first, because I'm like, this is kind of like wide open. Anyone could just reach into my bag if I'm like shopping in a store and I'm not paying attention. But it does have a zipper, which I'm really excited about because I did not realize that before. This thing seems a little long. I'm assuming you would just like stuff it down the inside, and then voila, the bag zips, which is super nice. I always feel more comfortable if I go out and then my bag is able to close, because if it's just laying wide open, I feel like anyone can just reach in and steal whatever I have in my purse, even though I don't really carry that much in my purse that would be useful to a robber, but you never know. There is a compartment on the inside that also has a zipper. As you can see here, you just unzip it, and then it has this little Marc Jacobs card. So this little packet right here basically just tells you how to take care of the bag. It has just basic instructions on how to make your bag last as long as possible. So you have this little card, and it says Marc Jacobs. That way you know it's authentic, it's real. And then this is the zipper. There's tons of room in here. I can fit my whole hand and move it around for a little bit of reference. And then also, if you don't want to use the black strap, you can detach it. It has these little hooks here where you would just click it right off. I like to keep it on, and even if I'm not using it, I can just put it inside the bag because it's so big, you literally can't even tell. And then if you want to hold it by the handles, you can do that. You couldn't really put it all the way up on your shoulder just because the hole is so small, unless you have like super small arms, but it doesn't go up all the way. So you could always just hold it around your elbow like so, or you could just carry it with your hand. I like to hold my bags like this sometimes, but whenever you're shopping, sometimes it can be like too much in your hands and you don't want to necessarily hold the bag. And that's when the strap also comes in super handy. You can just pull the strap out, put it on your shoulder, or put it across your body. This bag does come in other colors. It also comes in black, and then it comes in Arctic Dust, which is like a purple color, and then it comes in a beige one, which the beige is also really cute. Here, I don't know if you guys can see. So this is the beige one. The beige one is also gorgeous. Also, Marc Jacobs just came out with a new bag that is absolutely stunning. It's like this black leather bag, and it has this white furry trim. It is just so beautiful. So I've been keeping my eye out on that one as well, but I am so happy with this bag. I will say, if you want like a super structured bag, this probably isn't right for you just because it is a little bit flimsy. Like I noticed, I wore this out yesterday shopping and I had the strap on. These can tend to like fall outwards and lose their shape, which I know that can kind of bug some people. I just kept trying to like pull them up and like make them structured and make them hold themselves. But it is a looser bag. Like as you can see, it's like you can just like throw it around and like maneuver it how you'd like. Like I said, when it came, it was already completely folded flat. So if that does bug you, where like these things will start to fall when you have the strap on, maybe not the best bag for you, but you can also just always be holding them like this if you prefer that. Here is a back look at the bag. It just has these two little columns right here that stick out a little bit further, and then on the side, oh, this one doesn't have it. On the side, it has this. I'm assuming there's a reason for this, isn't there? What is the reason? Do you guys know if there's like a specific reason for this right here? I feel like it's for something to clip onto. I don't know what you clip onto it, but like, I'm sure there's a reason for this. I just don't know what it is. I like that the logo here is also in the center and that it's black and white. Like I said, I feel like whenever you have black and white on something, it's easier to like match it with so many different things. If you're on the fence about getting it, honestly, I would get it. It's super cute, and like, how often are there Sherpa bags out there? I don't really feel like I've ever seen like the teddy type of fabric, the Sherpa fabric in a purse, and this one is just like super classic, super chic, and you will get so much use out of it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's completely free and we can be friends. Also, if you are not already, make sure you follow my Instagram. I post tons of cool fashion outfits. I show what I'm doing in my day. I live in LA, so sometimes like I do cool things. Sometimes I just lay in bed all day, but regardless, follow my Instagram. You can DM me on there as well. I always give links to the outfits that I'm wearing, and I just love to post a bunch of fashion inspo. If you guys, I didn't realize I left the tag on this. Has this been sticking out the whole time? If so, that's like super embarrassing, but like I'm just gonna own it at this point. If you'd like to be notified every time that I post a new video, make sure you hit the bell button so you never miss anything that I post. Like and comment down below, and I will see you all next week with a new video. Bye guys!